train table. Happy early late 1 year birthday. Think you're ready. Hey Jack, look at mommy.
Look at mommy. Hey, look at mama. Look at mama.
Yeah, right. Can't reach the track.
We're going to do a really simple track.
Oh, how fun! Can you say thank you?
Say thank you.
Say thank you, mommy and daddy. Say thank you, mommy and daddy. I don't think he can focus on more than one thing at a time. You want to get his attention and help him say thank you?
Hey, say thank you to mommy. Thank you. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look over there. Thank you.
Oh, daddy, this is so fun.
Hey, look. Let's see here, bud. So, at the other place, he definitely was having a lot of fun because he could go to all sides of the track. We're going to have to modify, but we'll see.
Yay! It's a big night. The Garrity household. You've got it, buddy. Look at that.
Good boy. Here's some more trains.
What's a train say, Jack? Choo-choo!
Can you turn them around?
Choo-choo! We're a little excited. We're just a little excited. Go through the tunnel. Putting them all through the tunnel. Thanks, Daddy, for setting it up.
You bet.
Can tell it's been a long day.
You bet. Hey, get my hat on so that I can participate.
You look like a very old man. Jack, you're getting them through there.
There we go.
Ooh, good job. You're doing such a good job, buddy. Hey, Jack. Jack. Jack.
Hey, Jack, look at mommy. Hey, look at mommy. Look at mommy.
Is this fun? Jack. Jack.
Jack, look at mom. Look at mom. Hey. Hey.
Jack, look at mommy. Hey, look.
Hey, hey, look at mama. Where's mama?
Is this fun? Say yes.
Say yes.
Say yes. Oh my gosh. This might be less responsive than the food coma last week. Where he just stared off into oblivion.
Totally.
Well, we are excited this March 5th, 2011. Getting more blocks. This is Jack's bedroom. We just rearranged it so that we had room, old man Garrity, for his train table. That Mom picked up this $300 train table with trains and track on a savvy Saturday morning at 7 a.m. church garage sale for 25 bones. Gift from God.
Yes, yes.
That's all I gotta say. Okay, can you say bye? At least say bye. Bye.